So these LEDs are in here almost 10 years, and noticed a couple of the chips are out on one or two of them, and these were very cheap off of eBay, but I have a decent replacement set. So they're just fading off there, so let's get them in. These are the replacement ones I'm going to put in, and they have a good heat sink on them. And they also have one thing that's important to look out for when you're buying LEDs like these, is that they have a regulator chip here which stops the flickering going on. So these ones are, you can put them in either way and they'll work, so they're not like the other ones where if you have them in the wrong way they won't work. So you can see the difference there, quite a bit brighter. We'll get the other one in and we'll have a look at the old ones then. There's a slot just up here, and you put your screwdriver in and you push the whole assembly across to the right, and then you release this side and it just pops out then. So there you go, they're a good bit brighter now, and I suppose after this period of time the other ones would have faded a little bit. And the other ones now, I'll just show you here, they were the cheapest of the cheap, but they're in there a long time, and I have them in the puddle lights as well, and no flickering or anything. I think I bought 20 of them for £3 or £4 or something like that, so I just had to modify the holders a little because they were the new ones were a little bit wider than the old ones, but it's all good. Just set that on this bit. I've switched out the reversing light bulbs as well, and the difference is unbelievable. So the incandescent on the left and the LED on the right. These are the ones I'm using here for the reverse lights. Again, they have the regulation and the whole lot on them, so they work quite well. To get at the reverse lights, you remove the panel. This is your reverse light here, so that just pulls out. Ooh, that's hot. And you just push it back in. So now the two of them are LED. There's a good light behind you there now, so happy enough with that. We'll get you in the next one.